So, sa panggingon, I want to tell you the real story. Why I lose.
Wait,
what?
wait. No.
So,
the mask.
the secret actually, ang sikreto yun.
What is it? So the secret actually.
Hello everyone, good day. And I know, pasensya na, medyo dugay kayo na kung nasugdan ng akong vlog. And I'm sure ni-click mo kay nakita niyo sa akong thumbnails or sa akong subject kung unsay tinuod nga nung or unsay sikreto nga nog yung paspas ang akong pagniwang. Alright? But before na ako naisulti sa inyo, I'm with my kids. Come on guys, come here. Stay at my back.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hello, subscribers.
Hi.
And followers.
And followers, of course. And nakoy utang sa inyo because remember when we were in Davao?
Yeah.
So wala pa na ako napakita sa ila ang video sa atong paglaag sa Davao. What's that park? Crocodile Park. Wow, grabe. I realized na ang Crocodile Park, daganday crocodile. No? There's a crocodile.
Why is it called Crocodile Park if there's something else food?
So, before na ko
And also what I don't like about the park is there's no tour guides.
No, yeah, there was no tour guides. Someone gave me this wait, where the mask? Here. I thought it's a food, but it's a mask for us because I'm so stressed. So you help me put this on my face. Are you sure? Oh, there, that's it. There, that's it. Alright, then
That looks very creepy.
So you're not allowed to put it in your eyes?
Hey, come on. You plasterize. You fix it. Fix it.
Yeah, so gooey.
Fix it, come on.
Does it take away all your
Yeah, so like take over your skin.
Yeah. There you.
There we go.
Not here. Look.
Yeah, there's bubbles.
And where's the direction? I want to read it.
The direction?
Yeah, you read it at the back.
Wait.
It's Japanese.
What? No, it's Korean.
Korean.
So easy, you don't know how to read it?
No.
Alright, that's it guys. Alright. So guys, para makabalo lang mo, aniya na ang video sa mong paglaag sa Crocodile Park.
Are you sure? I thought you should.
Alright, you introduce them to them. Ladies and gentlemen, our video.
Ladies and gentlemen, our video from Crocodile Park in Davao.
Watch this.
Watch this.
Oh, hello people.
Here, Daddy.
What's happening to you, Ella? Where are we now? We are in... What? What's that?
It's a monkey.
Monkey, hold daddy pa, dili mas scare.
Chicken. Hello.
It's so confusing.
Why? Like to go near?
They bite me.
Huh?
They bite.
I think they're all
I do not bite.
I think they're statues. So they're all not moving. The big ones. Why is one opening its mouth?
It's like a Sophia.
It's from the... What's that? Kung Fu Panda 3.
What's that, Ella?
No, it's like a Sophia. But that Sophia.
Wow, museum.
Oh my god, so big!
What?
Mommy!
Mom.
It's very big!
It's okay.
Ano yan ang tiger? Ano yan ang tiger?
It's okay.
Mommy!
It's okay.
I'm scared!
I'm scared.
Mommy! Oh, big one!
Look at the big one. Look at her mouth.
Oh!
Give me that. Honey.
Stop! Help! Let me hold the camera.
What's she saying? Go there straight. I love this paniki thing.
Because I have tintin.
Nasa itlog.
Thank you, Daddy.
Nasa itlog. The black monkey.
Hala!
That's your brother.
Oh my God!
What's that?
Oh, look! Look what he's not doing!
Orangutan.
The biggest monkey in the world. Oh yeah, it's a girl because the boy has like the hair with the hair that this is the boy.
That's a lion?
Yeah,
Luka.
girl.
Padluka na ko eh. Bye.
Oh my God! So big! Oh, see it.
Nice. Kani mo ni mga tinuod nga buhaya. Lahi po tong buhaya nga nasa highway.
It's moving up! The crocodile! So moving. It's moving. Wait! Daddy! Daddy!
It's just a toy. It's just a toy, Ramana.
Dada! They carry me.
It's just a toy. Oh. All right.
Oh my God.
All right. So, sa Panggingon, I want to tell you the real story. Why I lose.
Fat. Wait.
What?
Wait.
No,
So,
the mask.
the secret actually, ang sikreto yun,
What
So
is
the,
it?
so the secret actually.
actually nag-lose weight ko because I am already diabetic.
What is that?
I have diabetes.
Too much.
So, taas na akong sugar. So, nanak ko yung mga sintomas ng uhaw, perminti,
What? Oh, how tired?
thirsty.
Oh my God.
You always
Like
pee.
talaihi.
Yeah,
I think Raver is diabetes, but he's always ihi.
talaihi is you peed a lot every now and then.
No, si Kuya.
Like after you ihi, then you drink, then you went somewhere just for a short while. You come back, naihi naman ka.
Hala! Si Kuya River. Oton!
Ew. Oh, come on. Why you have to fart on the vlog? The subscribers couldn't smell it.
Silent but deadly.
What's that?
Fart. Silent but deadly.
But one of them like a fart like this.
Ew.
So loud but deadly.
So wait, so I'll go back to my topic.
Continue the symptoms.
Yeah, so I am already
So
diabetic,
disturbing.
and one symptoms is you will lose weight very fast.
Very fast. Oh my God, I wonder.
Yeah, that's why ang akong weight before was around 230.
Oh my.
230 pounds, and now I am 180 pounds.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Oh my God, it's so quick.
And I will try to go back running.
Again.
So this is 10K. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
so
I
that's
know
why I need to start practicing tomorrow. So I have 2 weeks to practice for this 10K run. So now I'm registered. At ang ninyo ba na akong mga video padulong sa akong 10K run. Musurvive ako ani, ang baboy, musurvive ba, muniwang ba ko ani. Bye-bye, Ella.
Down below.
Oh, so we could get our silver play button sometime.
Yeah, can you beg them, please?
Please subscribe us to get our silver play button.
Yes. Double and the Crocodile Park.
Alright. Bye guys. Thank you so much for viewing. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.